Track and Mount Western Raceway. Today we have a double haul of the Vantastics for 2021. We have the Fractal Panda and Enzed Racing. So first off, let's get stuck into Enzed Racing. These entries are for Vantastic, and this first one is the Vanster, and this is driven by Heather for NZ Racing. It's like a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle van, which I've never seen before. It's small in stature, but it could be big on the track. Next up is the GMC panel van. This is also NZ Racing, and the driver for this is Pumba. I think that's how you pronounce it. Very nice, got some nice weight to it. All these vans have to come in under 100 grams, otherwise they do not race on the track. The limit is 100 grams. If you do want to enter the competition, just make contact with myself and we'll take it from there. The Fractal Panda's back with another sensational build. This one is called Going Postal, and it is a matchbox. It's a 1980s transit van and it's weighing in at 98 grams. I've got some information here. There's dry lube only or graphite on the axles, and the axles and the wheels are from a 24/7 colour shifter, so there you go. Look at the wheel spin on that, that just goes forever. Well, the Fractal Panda, all the way from Scotland, thank you for sending this in, along with NZ Racing. Really appreciate you guys sending in these entries for Vantastic in 2021. Can't wait to see you guys on the track and see how you go. Until then, I'll catch you later.